on my dick, Peter, Peter on my dick, Peter on my dick, Peter, Peter on my dick, Peter on my dick, Peter, Peter on my dick, Peter on my dick, Peter, Peter on my dick. I've been shooting dogs with BB guns since I was 5. If you want to witness, you can come and see me live. I be trapping cats and AC units all the time. Let them freeze, baby, give the mice a head start, please, baby. Peter trying to take away the fun life. They always sending people to my condo, like who you is and how you getting all this mammal fur. I tell them go ahead and check that bankroll. I got a camel fur coat, gator skin, duffel bag, Chinese Labrador rug, price tag, sea turtle, shell, money clip, hella table rags, and handkerchiefs straight out of the African wild. Yeah, I don't give a fuck about the dolphins on my back, man. I know a guy who knows a guy, I get it like that. With a polar bear ceiling fan cooling down my back, and a kangaroo pouch to hold my diamonds in rags. I sew a bunch of rats to a quilt. All this fur got me feeling like Cruella de Vil. I've been lurking on my neighbor's Dalmatians for weeks, man. If you trying to split the profit, call my pager for deets. They try to shut me down, that's a no-no. They all trying to hit me with the low blows. I never pay attention, I just pay in cash. If you trying to ask some questions, man, get off my fucking ass, huh? Peter on my dick, Peter, Peter on my dick, Peter on my dick, Peter, Peter on my dick.